Want to be successful? Then please do focus on these 5 things. First, your past. Second, people's opinion. Third, relationships. Fourth, lack of confidence. And fifth, your future. Jai Hind, Namaskar, good evening, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum, Assala Vista, Vadakkam, Jule, Jianu. Today I, Godwin George of class 12th A, APS RK Puram Secunderabad is here to share my personal beliefs about the life journey so far. Having been born and brought up in a Punjabi Christian family full of social life, adventures and discipline, I rather consider myself very fortunate and blessed for this wonderful opportunity to share my personal beliefs and mantras of a happy and successful life. So are you all ready?
Let me rewind to the thumbnail front page of this motivational video. Majority of people are not ready to live in the present because they are stuck in the prison of their past. If you want to live a great life, then start focusing on these 5 things. First, your past. Second, people's opinion. Third, relationships. Fourth, lack of confidence. And fifth, your future. Number 1, your past. Don't allow your past to control your present or your future life. Whatever bad has happened in your life, you must let it go. Leave the pain of your past behind. Stop cribbing, stop complaining, so that it must not ruin your future. Your past is gone. If someone did wrong, the only way you can win is to let it go and just move on. Remember, people who mock at you will praise you one fine day. No matter how hard past is, you can always begin again with new zeal and enthusiasm. If you live in worrying of past, they win. If you want to win, you must start focusing on your future. Talking about what focus means. Once Martina, the ace lawn tennis player, was asked, how do you maintain your focus and your sharp game even at the age of 40 plus? She gave a humble reply. The ball doesn't know how old I am. You actually need to stop yourself from stopping yourself. I must highlight and repeat the line because it actually means a lot. Every game in life is actually played on a 6-inch ground. The space between your 2 ears. I mean your mind. We do not live in bungalows, duplex or flats. We live in a mind which is an unlimited area. The key factor to perform well in life and in every arena is the ability to control the quality and quantity of your inner strength. Remember, your actual performance is potential minus internal interference. Please work on your inner strength. Number 2, people's opinion. Don't allow other people's opinion or judgments to control the directions of your life. The need to fit in and feel wanted can cause you to follow on the path you never wanted to follow. People pleasing is a curse, and worrying for the people's opinion should be avoided at any cost. Before you do anything, ask yourself, am I doing this because I wanted to do it or because of my fear of judgment for others? When you become fearless, life will become limitless. You are born unique and let your uniqueness shine out. Remember, a leader is a face out of the crowd. Let your light shine bright to overcome the darkness around you. Shine bright as you are and do not fade away under someone's influence. Don't limit your challenges. Rather, you must challenge your limits. Number 3, relationships. Relationship, a very, very touchy subject. But if you're always depending on others to be happy to feel complete, then you are just a moment away from a breakdown. I'm not at all suggesting to hate relationships because there is no force on earth greater than relations. I hear us to develop enough mental strength and ability to adjust and enforce adaptability as you walk through different phases of life. Make no enemies and try to be a team member. Avoid groupism theory. Number 4. Lack of confidence. Don't let your low confidence act as a hindrance to your success. There may be unconscious limitations that may be put on you on younger age and throughout your entire life. Notice your own limited beliefs and just overcome them. Let your potentials shine out. There is nothing you cannot do, or there is nothing you cannot leave. If you have belief in yourself, if you believe, anything is possible. When you change your belief from limited to unlimited, your confidence will grow. If you learn to win the enemy within, then the enemy outside can do you no harm. When you have nothing inside holding you back, there is nothing outside that can hold you back either. Your entire life will change subsequently as you change your mindset. Learn the art of changing the circumstances. Overcome the challenges and you shall see your confidence rise. Confidence comes from within and do not need to beg, borrow or buy it from anyone. Let me quote here. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Number 5. Future. In the present day scenario, nobody is aware what the future awaits. There are many students who are preparing for the competitive or board exams. They are totally unaware of what the grades would be. But you all might have listened to the story of the grasshopper and ant, wherein an ant prepares entire summers to stock food for winters for their survival, and whereas grasshopper enjoys the summers and makes no preparations for the winters and finally gets starved to death. So students, do not wait for yourself to be starved for grades. Remember, either you prepare or you be prepared to perish. Do not make excuses for your own mistakes. The time clock is same for all. Same are the books. It's your ability to manage time and get in love with your books. This is where the actual difference lies. The competition is very tough and the tough ones will shine. Try getting up early morning. I've seen my father grow from a class 3 employee to a class 1 gazetted officer. Believe me friends, it has been a great lesson for me of a lifetime. He used to get up at 2 a.m. in the early morning and study at the age of 40. Just imagine studying with a burden of responsibilities of parents, wife, children and the organization's workload as well. But he did it, and he did it with sheer hard work and passion. So, lesson learnt here for all of us is simple. Stop giving excuses. If you dream to do good, then better start working on your dreams. Let me amplify that. Dreams are not what you see while you sleep. Dreams are something which do not let you sleep. So please rise, awake and do not stop until you reach your goal. So once again, my dear friends, philosophers and my fellow colleagues, I hope you agree with my point of view. Just remember, I, you, we all have got a one life and the time is moving on. Get energized, remain motivated and work on your dreams. That's all for the day. It's me, Godwin George MB, student of Army Public School Secunderabad. Happy schooling. Wish you all a fantastic career ahead. Jai Hind.